This is the fourth video of English literature of class 3rd lesson number 1. In this video we will do the question answers. So I request you all to take pencil and a copy, and in that copy please complete these question answers. So these are all the 5 questions that are given. So let us come to question number 1. In the morning, Noe went down to the beach. This is one line given from the chapter, and the question based on this line is asked, why did Noe go down to the beach in the morning? Okay, so answer is, this is the first answer. Noe went down to the beach in the morning because he wanted to see what had been left behind by the storm that took place the night before. Okay, so the question it was asking, why did Noe went down to the beach? Okay, so the answer is because he wanted to see that what has been left behind by the storm, so that is why he went there. So this is the answer number 1. Now let us come to question number 2. It must have been washed up because of the storm, Noe thought. Question is, what did Noe spot on the beach? How did it appear on the beach? Okay, so two parts are there in this question. First part is, what did Noe spot on the beach? In the chapter I have already explained you. Noe spotted a baby whale on the beach. Okay, so this is the first part, and then how did it appear on the beach? Now what did he saw? He saw a baby whale. We have to give the appearance of that baby whale. How was it lying on the beach? Okay, so let us come to the answer. This is answer number 2. Noe, first part is, Noe spotted a baby whale on the beach. Okay, then second part, the baby whale had been washed ashore because of the storm. So this is the answer number 2. Okay, so the second part is the appearance of the baby, how it was just it was washed away. Okay, so that is why he was lying on the beach. Now let us come to question number 3. With much difficulty, he lifted the whale and put it in the cart. These are the lines given from the chapter, and the question is, why did Noe put the whale in the cart? Okay, so answer number 3 is, okay, answer number 3, Noe put the baby whale in his cart because he did not want to leave the whale all alone on the beach, as he knew the whale would not be able to survive on land for long. Okay, so this is the answer number 3. That is asking you why baby put the baby whale in his Noe put the baby whale in his cart because he did not want it, because he did not wanted him to wanted that baby whale to be all alone on the beach. Yes, why? Because it would not be able to survive on land without water. Now let us come to question number 4. Question number 4 is, I have been so busy, Noe, I never realized that you were so lonely. Who said these words? How did he realize that Noe was lonely? So again 2 parts are asked, so just read once again carefully. I have been so busy, Noe, I never realized that you were so lonely. So these words were said by Noe's father. Okay, the first part is saying who said these words. So the answer will be Noe's father said these words, and the second part is, how did he realize that Noe was lonely? So let us come to answer number 4. This is answer number 4. First part is, Noe's father said these words, and the second part is, he realized that Noe was lonely when Noe told him that the baby whale was the only friend he had and also promised to take great care of it. Okay, hope you have understood this answer. Now question number 5. This one. We must take it back to the sea, to the place where it belongs. Question is asked, how did Noe and his father take the baby whale back to the place where it belonged. How did Noe feel at that time? Okay, this is the question, and now let us come to the answer. Answer number 5. Okay, so answer number 5 contains two parts. So first part is Noe and his father put the whale in a motor boat, and after rowing out into the sea, they put the whale back into the sea. And the second part is Noe felt very sad at that time. Okay, so second part it was asking how did Noe feel. Okay, what was the feeling of the Noe? So Noe felt very sad in the beginning. He was, when he just left that baby whale into the sea, he was feeling very sad, but at the same time he was also glad because his father was with him. Okay, hope you have understood all the answers. Please complete these answers, question answers, in the copy and learn them. And the next video we will do writing practice, writing questions we'll do. Okay, by the time you complete this work and then learn it. Okay, thank you.